Hey guys, my name is Akesani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we start to creating REST APIs, we need to learn some basic annotation is used for creating REST APIs. So let's start creating with package name controller. Controller package contains the all endpoints were created by you inside this controller package. Inside this we create class hello controller. So how will browser and the user who is going to access your file identify or request the data? With the help of the two controllers, annotation name is end controller and the rest controller. End controller only handles one request at a time, means it doesn't respond you the data or the request. It's a one-way communication. But Spring Boot introduce REST controller who will able to handle both the request and the response at the same time. So I'm going to use that annotation REST controller here. Now I'm going to create one return type function with the name of hi return hello name string name. So how will API path is defined? So another entry comes in this picture. It's request mapping. Request mapping helps you to define your path, which path is going to call this function. So hey, and you will define what kind of methods is going to be declared. Method get. So how to get the name from the user? So another annotation comes in picture. Name path variable. Path variable helps you to get the data directly from the endpoint. So how will define this? Making a slash and curly braces. So you can define like this also or this way and pass this name here. I already made it, but I'm showing you. Now test this function. Is it working or not? Check out. So let's define your endpoint local host 8080 slash hi dev rider. See, you will get the response in that way. Hello dev rider. But we have another annotations. So instead of request mapping, we can define our path directly using get mapping. And just do this, make your endpoint like hello, and that's it. I'm going to use, just copy this function and make it hello. But this time I'm not going to use path variable. So another annotation called request param to get the data from user is request param. See, hello, my name is. See, now check this method. So request param is basically gets the data from query string. So like my endpoint is changed, I will use it hello, make question mark to define this is the query string and pass the value. Now the para and send it. See, hello, my name is DevRider. This is the another way to get the request or the data from the user. So another way to get the data is the request header. We can also use request header to get the data from the user. Like I am using here great. Hello, great. To you. Now check this out. Go to change your endpoint. Great. Make the key name. Key is the name as you mentioned here. Name. DevRider. You see, now that's working. Get to you DevRider. And one more way. And another annotation comes to the picture when you passing a data through body. Post mapping to send the data, because this is make the message. Now how will this way? For this you need first to do install your STS or IntelliJ with the Lombok library. It will look like this because we are going to use Lombok library now. We have to install it. Lombok provides you the boilerplate code for your entity or model class. It provides you the getter, setter, setting, annotations, constructor, no args, constructor annotations. So I already installed it, so I am not going to install it. But you just need to find the path of your STS and install and update. Now I am changing message. So I am creating one more package with the name of entity or model. Inside this entity I am creating a class hello and creating one variable with name and adding Lombok annotation data. Data annotation having the both getter and setter features, but you can use a specific method for like you want to only getter or setter, so you can use it this annotation as well. So I need both, so I am using that. Now save, call another annotation request body, and now import the hello class here. With name. Name, I get the name. Message to you. Let's check out with message. So change this method to post. Now we will send a body. So check how will we send. Name colon name dev rider, and see message to you dev rider. So these are the ways, different ways to get the data from the user or the person who is using the API, and different ways to define your API's endpoints, like using request mapping or the get mapping, post mapping, other mapping also there, delete as well, put as well. So thanks for watching this video. Smash on subscribe button, like button and bell icon.